Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. I tried one of these Stouffer's Grandma's chicken and vegetable rice bake. Cook it for about 85 minutes. You cook it for 60, and then there's a little clear covering over it. You take that off, and then you cook it for the remainder, which it would be 25 minutes. But the thing is really good. I've already ate about all I'm going to eat tonight. The other will be my lunch. But I've gotten where a lot of times it's just so hard to cook a meal like I like, so I started indulging some of these easy to fix dinners. And I did have some Hawaiian rolls with it, and that topped it off. Y'all hear Matilda. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.